Sunday, the 9th of November 2025, we, Al Khidmat Agush USA, in partnership with Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan, are seeking to continue our hot meal distribution project to reduce and minimize the daily suffering of the Gazans face and to make a great difference and help them. We are not just holding meals, we are holding hope to those who need it most. We've just arrived to Jalil shelter in the north of Gaza Strip and ready to distribute the meals for displaced families here. Thanks Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan, thanks Al Khidmat Agush USA for your generous support.
شكرا للمؤسسة وبارك الله فيهم، يا ريت تدعمونا دائما لأنه هنا احنا بنفهم مقطوعة. بارك الله فيكم.
شكرا لمؤسسة الخدمة على الوجبات وبارك الله فيكم.
شكرا لخدمة على الوجبات.